Tanjung Puting National Park. One of the internationally famous ecotourism destinations in Indonesia is Tanjung Puting National Park in the southwest of Central Kalimantan Peninsula. Tanjung Puting National Park offers impressive experience to its visitors. This is called a park, but unlike any park that you have seen in your city, this is a jungle. It is a real jungle, which is home to the most incredible animals in the world, orangutans and proboscis monkeys. The male proboscis monkeys are interesting because they have enormous snout. So, imagine yourself to be in the jungle and meet these special animals in their original habitat. What will you do when you meet them? To see orangutans we should go to Camp Leakey. Camp Leakey is located in the heart of Tanjung Puting National Park. This is a rehabilitation place for ex-captive orangutans and also a preservation site. This camp was established by Barut Galdikas, an important scientist who has studied orangutans since 1971. To reach the place, we should take a boat down Sakanya River. The boat is popularly called Perahu Kletak, which is a boathouse that can accommodate 4 people. The trip by the boat to Camp Leakey takes 3 days and 2 nights. The traveling in the boat offers another unforgettable experience. You sleep, cook, and eat in that kletak, night and day during your journey into the jungle. In daylight, on your way to Camp Leakey, you can see trees filled with proboscis monkeys. At night, you can enjoy the clear sky and the amazingly bright stars as the only lights for the night.